Hi there, welcome to our channel FreeTech. In this video, we will talk about how to send crypto from Coinbase to Binance. So for this, first of all, let's move to Binance and from here log in with your account. Once you are logged in, now go to deposit section and click on deposit crypto. So from here you need to select coin. So as you want to transfer Bitcoin, so here you can select Bitcoin or you can go with LTC here. So I will go with LTC and then select network. Click on it and from here again click on LTC, which will take 20 minutes to transfer. Click on it to select. Okay, now here you need to enter the address of your Coinbase. Copy the address of your wallet and paste it here. So for this I will go to Coinbase and click on send and receive, and here you need to select the cryptocurrency. So for this here we have two options. Click on it and as you click there you will find the address. Copy the address and now click on preview send and again click on send now. Here you need to enter 6-digit code from your app, and as you can see the money is transferred. It will take 30 minutes. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.